Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to show you how to set up shipping rates in your Shopify store, and it will be complete breakdown video. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main video. So throughout the video we are going to cover creating shopping zones, then like shipping zones, then adding flat rate, free shipping, and also calculated rates. Then we are going to mention tips for handling international shipping and delivery times. So whether you sell physical product locally or worldwide, this setup is super important for conversations and profits. Let's jump right into it. So we are going to talk about go to shipping setting. So first of all, we are just going to create an Shopify account. This is a platform where we can easily create website and start our business. So you just need to click on start for free, but in fact I already have an account here and I have couple of websites. I am running my business, so I will just click on login. Once I click over here, it will redirect me directly to the dashboard panel. Here you can see this is the dashboard panel. Once you come over here or landed to this page, you just need to go or click on setting in the bottom left corner. Here you can see it. Just click over here. Then when you click over here, then here you will get couple of options as you can see it in the left corner. Then you just need to select shipping and delivery option. So you just need to find it out one by one. So here let's see, here you can see this is the option shipping and delivery, and here you can see we have whole criteria over that place. This is where you manage shipping zone, then rates, packages, and carrier options. Now into the step 2, we are going to talk about to set up shipping zones. So what's a shipping zone really? So a shipping zone is a region or country you ship to, like United States, Europe, Australia, and a specific province or postal codes. So you just need to create your zone. Like under general shipping rates, here you can see it. This is the general shipping rates. Under this one, you will get managed rates. Here you will get this one. So let's go and let's try to find it out, the manage rates. So here you just need to click over here, and in here you will get this option called manage rates. So let's search it, manage rates. Here you can see you are allowed to add your rates over here, and this is the rate. You can add your rate over here. So now you just need to name your zone. It could be USA or international. Let's create a shipping zone for us. So I will just click over here at shipping zone, and then I will select the country. So here I will click on add more countries. So here, so let's remove this one and let's start from the scratch. So here you can see general shipping rates. Here you just need to click over here. Once you click over here, then here you can see these are the product we have. So if you want to add another shipping zone, you just need to click on add location. Once you click over here, then here you just need to search your location, United. So what happens? So again, let's start from this one, and here you just need to click on add location and search for this one. So here you just need to search your location. It could be United States, it could be anywhere you want. So it's totally depend on you. So when you will add your shipping zones, let's add shipping zones again. So here we had the problem, so let me fix it. We start selling in the zone, include them in market. So let's click on. So we already created. So here you just need to create international market. So click over here, and here you can see that our international market has been created. Now click on save, and here you are allowed to change your currency, your catalog, and many things. So again, just go to the setting and then click on payments. Once you click over here, then here you will get the shipping and delivery option. Then choose this one and try to add this one. As you can see, our international zone has been added and the standard price is 2400 taka for per shipping. So this way you can add your shipping zone. Then let me give you a tip, that is use separate zones for domestic and international rates always. Then into the step 3, we are going to add shipping rates flat, free and calculated. Like now let's add different type of rates. Like in option 1 you can use flat rate, like perfect for a small Easter. You just need to click on add rate. Here you can see this is the standard rate. Just click on add rate. Once you click over here, then you just should set up your own rates. Like here you have this use flat rate, use carrier app, calculate rates, whatever you want you can do it, these options. Then you just need to name the rate. For example, it could be standard shipping. You could add the price of the shipping. Here we have the option of the price. Then you can set condition like by weight or price range. For example, free shipping over 50 USD dollar, then get a free shipping name. Then condition over order price will be for 15 USD dollar, the price will be 0, the shipping price. So this way you could do it. Then the option 2 is to calculated rates, like for live rates available if you connect USPS, EPS, DSL or Shopify shipping. You just need to click to the add rate and use carrier or app to calculate rates. Like this way, just click this one, add rate, and here you just need to use this carrier app or app to calculate it. Then here there is no carrier or apps available in this zone, so you just need to select the carrier options. Like for example, it could be FedEx or DHL and many more. Then you just need to select service you want to offer. Then for example, priority mall, and then click on ship. Shopify will now automatically calculate shipping cost at checkout based on a customer location, weight and package size. Then we are going to talk about set package dimension. Here you can see this is the package dimension. If I click on this one, here say package, this is the sample package box. So to get accurate live shipping rates, you need to set default package size. You just need to be similarly follow the process. Like you just need to click on setting, then choose shipping and delivery, then scroll to the package options. Here you can see this is the package options, and you just need to be click add package or edit the default and enter dimension and wait for your typical shipment. Let me give you a tip on this section, that is use actual box size you use for faster level printing and accurate cost. So now we are going to talk about international shipping. Like you want to ship worldwide, you just need to create a new shipping zone for rest of world and add flat or calculated rate based on region. You could include estimate delivery times, for example 721 business days, and consider adding custom and duties info for buyers. So I hope you understand how easy the process was. Once you find out that your procedure is finished and you are done, now your work is to test your setup. Just go to your store, add a product to cart and begin checkout. Enter test address, make sure the correct shipping rates appear, check if condition, free shipping, weight based rates work as expected. Always test domestic and international address to avoid surprise. So let's wrap up the video here, and that's it, how you can set up Shopify shipping rates in 2025. So let's finish the video here. I hope you loved this video. If you think this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with a new topic.